In this video, we will talk about how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc00005 error. Method 1. Run the app as administrator. Right-click the affected application. Click on Run as administrator. Check if the error is gone. Method 2. Enable .NET Framework. Right-click on Start icon. Select Run. Type optional features in one word and press Enter. Make sure .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services are checked. Click on OK. Select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Repair system files. Right-click on Start icon. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned both commands in the description. After running both commands, click on Start icon and restart your PC. Method 4. Check RAM errors. Right-click on Start icon. Select Run. Type Windows Memory Diagnostic command and press Enter. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. Let Windows Memory Diagnostic complete. Method 5. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. This error commonly appears if Visual C++ files are broken. So it would be best if you uninstall, then reinstall it on your PC. To uninstall it, right-click on Start icon. Select Run. Type appwiz.cpl and click on OK. Select Microsoft Visual C++ and click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. To install it, I have mentioned the video link in the description. So that's how you can fix 0xc00005 error. See you in the next video.